What's as good, my bruvs? Today we will be playing some Tornado Alley. I will choose Vars Station. What the fuck, guys? Why choose easy map? Okay guys, we have landed in the ancient ruins. Okay, let's go to a safe place. This should be a safe place, right? The disaster has started. Oh shit. I'm safe here now. Let's check outside. There's objects falling from the sky too. I thought a tornado was enough. I'm gonna run now. Haha, tornado, you can't get me. Oh my bloody hell, I gotta go. Oh shit, I gotta run. How did I survive that? Oh no, I have to go to a safe place. Here should be safe. Let's check outside. Oh shit. OMG.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
How did I survive? How? That's it for today's video. Bye my bruvs.